How to improve Google Maps loading time. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can improve Google Maps loading time. Improving Google Maps loading time can be influenced by various factors. The first one is your internet connection speed. Make sure your internet connection works well. You can also try switching your internet connection to the data cellular, or you can also turn off and on airplane mode. It also depends on device performance, so make sure to clear cache and update your application, Google Maps application. Now, even after following all of these ways, if you are not able to improve Google Maps loading time, then what you can do is scroll down and there you will find 3 dots at the top. Click on those 3 dots, then click on download offline map. After downloading the map, you can use it even when your internet connection is not working well. So in this way, you can improve your Google Maps loading time. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.